Today I am going to give a presentation on orphan drugs. Orphan drug is a pharmaceutical agent that is used to treat a rare medical condition or rare diseases like Huntington's disease, myoclonus disease, Tourette syndrome, etc. Let me give two examples of celebrities who have suffered from these diseases. Woody Guthrie, who is one of the significant figures in American folk music world, and David Beckham, who is a well-known soccer player of Manchester United, who has suffered from Tourette syndrome. The reason for naming these diseases, these drugs for rare diseases as orphan drugs is that they are very much like children who have no parents. Now, the definition of rare disease. WHO defines rare disease as a disease or condition with a prevalence of less than or equal to 1 by 1,000 population. Every country has got its own definitions uh, based on WHO definition. In USA, the disease has to affect fewer than 2 lakh patients or less than 7.5 in 10,000. Japan has a cutoff level of fewer than 50,000 or fewer than 4 patients in 10,000. Australia, fewer than 200 patients or fewer than 1.1 in 10,000, whereas European Union, fewer than 5 in 10,000 population. These drugs receive little attention from pharmaceutical companies as the small patient population could not justify the huge investment required for drug development. And that is why there was evolution of Orphan Drug Act. Because orphan drugs target small populations and yield lower returns, only 4 drugs were in the market to treat rare diseases. The Orphan Drug Act was passed on January 28, 1983, with aim to promote research and development in the field of rare diseases. The purpose of Orphan Drug Act to reduce costs, to increase the returns to orphan drug production, and to expedite orphan drug designation approvals over other drugs. In the last 20 years, Orphan Drug Act has been adopted in several countries and has successfully promoted research and development investments to develop new pharmaceutical products for treatment of rare diseases. Since the introduction of ODA, nearly 1,100 drugs and biological products have been designated as orphan drugs. US FDA has approved 231 drugs, which will facilitate the treatment of estimated 11 million patients. The worldwide sales over the 5 years from 2014 to 2019, industry revenue has increased, which is driven by increasing global demand of such drugs. Now, finally, let me give some examples of orphan drugs which have been approved in 2018. Iobenguane, which is used for the treatment of neuroendocrine tumors. Tecovirimat, which is used for treatment of smallpox. Venetoclax, which is used for treatment of chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Daratumumab, which is used for treatment of multiple myeloma. These are all rare diseases, and these are the drugs which have been approved for these indications.